Let's draw a magical forest scene with our friends Luan and Chippy. Let's start with the background. Draw some tall trees and little bushes. Want to draw along? You can download today's line art from the description below. Now draw Luan, our main character. She's sitting happily in the forest, ready to paint. Add her brush and palette. She's ready to create some magic. Look, it's Chippy up in the tree with his acorn bag. It looks like he wants to join the fun. Let's add some cute mushrooms on the ground and fluffy clouds in the sky. It's time for the most magical moment. Let's color this forest scene together. Start with the big trees, brown trunks and green leaves, or magical colors you imagine. Maybe a little talking squirrel is hiding in the leaves, secretly watching you paint. Sky blue, pink, or golden. And the clouds? Let's leave them floating free. Maybe they'll turn into a cat, a candy, or a little wish from your heart. This is Luan's favorite place to paint. She says the wind here sings. Now it's Luan's turn. Her rainbow hair is full of magic. Let's color it strand by strand. Her brush and palette are magic tools, filled with colors of dreams. Chippy has warm brown fur, and his bag looks like a fresh little treat. You can add a rainbow carpet, sparkling flowers, or bubbles flying out of the palette. This is your magical forest. Great job! You finished a magical forest scene and met Luan and Chippy too. Magic grows where imagination flows.